Understanding the phrase, Advent. Hello learners! Today, we are diving deep into the meaning and usage of the phrase, Advent. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but also its significance in different contexts. Advent is more than just a word, it's a cultural and historical marker in English-speaking societies. Let's unravel its mysteries together. Advent is a noun, and at its core, it means the arrival or coming of a notable person, thing, or event. It's derived from the Latin word, adventus, which means arrival. In everyday use, it might refer to the coming or introduction of something significant. For example, the advent of smartphones changed the way we communicate. The town prospered with the advent of the new railway system. For many, Advent carries a deeper, religious significance. In Christianity, Advent is the period of 4 Sundays and weeks before Christmas, or sometimes from the 1st of December to Christmas Day. It's a time of preparation and anticipation for the celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ at Christmas. During this period, you might notice special calendars called Advent calendars. These are used to count or celebrate the days in anticipation of Christmas. Each day, a door or window of the calendar is opened to reveal a picture, a piece of chocolate, or a small gift. To help you incorporate Advent in your conversations, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. The advent of the Internet brought about a digital revolution. 2. Many children eagerly await the advent of December to start opening their Advent calendars. 3. She eagerly anticipated the advent of her birthday every year. Using Advent correctly can add depth and context to your sentences, showcasing your mastery over the language. And there we have it. From a simple arrival to deep-rooted religious traditions, the word Advent holds a wealth of meaning. We hope this video has illuminated the nuances and uses of this phrase for you. Always remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and histories they carry with them. Happy learning, and until next time.